How to enable likes notifications from everyone on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable likes notifications from everyone on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and then click this one, your profile here in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings. Now here you will see this one, notifications, and here all you need to do is just to find this one, posts, stories and comments. Click on it and here you will find it from everyone. Just enable it and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.